And we need gloves and hoods.
I have gloves.
Yeah.
I wore my gloves this morning.
No, why not?
I mean, it's cold. Yeah. It's cold.
Yeah.
And it's going to stay that way. You're looking live from our Blue Ridge camera where you could see a light dusting of snow there. We've got more mountain snow in the forecast too, so we'll talk about that. But right now, the big story is, of course, the cold. You're looking at our satellite radar composite. We are not seeing any precipitation, at least not yet. The bulk of it is staying to the north. We do have a chance for some light rain in the forecast, though. We'll take a look at that. But the big weather story is what we just talked about. Everybody's talking about how cold it is. I had some friends come in from Michigan and say, "We think we brought the cold with us." And I said, "Yeah, I think you did, because it was warm before you got here." And we said, "Yeah, I think they left today," or they left yesterday. They left yesterday. So hopefully it warms up quicker than I think it will. 37 degrees is where we are right now in Ontario. Upper 30s for the folks in Riverside. Van Nuys current temperature in the upper 30s. Taking a look at the 7-day forecast, it gets interesting again temperature-wise as we head toward Monday and Tuesday, because we've got another system coming our way. So let's go through it. For the beaches, we've got a mainly sunny sky and 64 degrees. We bump up those temperatures for you slightly as we get into Sunday, but then we've got another area of low pressure, that precipitation to the north that we just looked at on radar. That's going to come down our way, give us a chance of showers and also some wind as we get into Monday and Tuesday. LA and Orange County, 67 degrees today, but we're looking at highs in the low 60s as we head toward the next few days. Also a chance for showers as well. For the valley, 68 degrees for you today. Enjoy. 71 for Sunday. It's going to be really nice, but look at what happens as that system comes down. We're talking about those temperatures breaking down into the low 60s for you. Saturday and Sunday in the Inland Empire looking good and sunny. Highs on Sunday right around 71 degrees, turning windy and much cooler as we get toward Monday and Tuesday. We'll be watching out for that opportunity for rain on Tuesday. Then as we go on, you see the showers in the forecast for the folks in the high desert as well. 50 degrees will be the high today under a mainly sunny sky. We've got the showers, and they will be pretty much short-lived. I think most of us won't see the showers, but we will see the clouds and thus the cooler temperatures. Taking a look at the mountains for tomorrow, we're looking at, or for today, 28 degrees, and then we warm up before we get some snow into the forecast on Tuesday. That's a look at what we're doing weather-wise. Now let's take a look at sports.